Alright, here we have another ROMWE women's dress. This is a V-neck spaghetti strap sequin bodycon cocktail dress, according to the listing. This one didn't quite make it all the way in the package. Doesn't appear to be any damage though. Whenever tried sealing it up, looks like it's still good to go there. Not sure how to pronounce ROMWE either, by the way. And there are lots of sequins on this, so you do want to be somewhat careful whenever you're taking it out. My wife was pretty excited to see this one. So underneath, there is something of an interior slip in addition to this exterior material that is see-through between the sequins. So that's going to help give you a little bit of non-see-through, but it still is very, very slightly. I would guess if you were to wear this without a bra, you could probably see an outline of a nipple underneath. So you might want to be careful about that. We're going to go ahead and do some measurements right across the top here. Looks like it's about 13 inches, so that's going to be about 26. And the waist, 13 inches, the same thing. And then length from shoulder to the bottom, you're looking about 32, 33, depends on how flat it goes. 32 and a half maybe. So that's the length we have on it. This doesn't seem to be a stretchy material. It stretches a very small amount, so this is going to hug very tight to your body. And then the zipper on the back is more of a thicker industrial zipper than I've typically seen on dresses and stuff. So there is one part right there where it looks like it catches the material. So do be careful whenever you're unzipping and zipping. Get help, ladies. Because those sequins like to slide right over there on top of that. There you go. Shoulder straps are adjustable, and they are very stretchy, very elastic. There is no pad inside the top, so keep that in mind. The size of this one, we ordered a size small. So once we get a chance to get this on, my wife gets a chance to try it on, we'll take some pictures. You guys can take a look at it and see what you think. Any questions, comments, make sure to ask them and I'll get to them as soon as I can. And we did receive this for free in exchange for the review. All right. Thank you.